Hinges. In this video, we are going to discuss about types of hinges used in doors and windows. Back flap hinge. These hinges are used where the shutters are thin. These are fixed to the back side of the shutter and frame, and hence the name. Butt hinge. These type of hinges are commonly used for fixed doors and window shutters to the frame. Counter flap hinge. This hinge is formed in three parts and has two centers. Hence, the two leaves can be folded back to back. Garnet hinge. This type of hinge, also known as T-shutter, has a long arm which is screwed to the shutter and a short arm or plane which is screwed to the door frame. Narmadi hinge. This is used for heavy doors. The flange or strap of the hinge is fixed to the door shutter, while the pin on which the strap rotates is fixed to the frame.